In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to create a survey. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting research, or simply connecting with an audience, surveys can be an invaluable tool in gathering essential information. Google Forms offers an accessible and customizable way to create surveys, and today I'll walk you through the entire process. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account, then head over to Google Forms. You can find it by simply typing Google Forms into your web browser, and it should be your first search result. Once there, you'll see a homepage filled with various templates, but for now, let's click on the large plus button labeled blank to start crafting a new form from scratch. Now that you've got your blank form open, it's time to personalize it. At the very top, you will see fields for both the title and description of your survey. This is your chance to capture your respondents' attention and let them know what your survey is about. Write a clear and concise title and description, explaining the purpose and any necessary instructions they might need. Once your form has an identity, it's time to start adding questions. Click on the question field to begin typing your first question. Here, customization is key. Google Forms offers a wide range of question types. Whether you need multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answer questions, each type can be selected from a convenient drop-down menu. Take a moment to consider the kind of response that would best serve your research before you make your decision. To add more questions, use the plus button located on the right-hand side of the screen. Each new press of this button lets you add another question to your survey. Feel free to mix and match the question types to best suit your survey's needs. Once you've finished adding all your questions and are satisfied with your survey, it's time to publish it. Simply find and click the Publish button. This action will make your survey live and ready to be distributed. To share your survey with others, look for the link icon which resembles a chain link. Clicking this will generate a shareable link. All you have to do next is click Copy to add this link to your clipboard. Once copied, you can share this link with your intended audience via email, social media, or any other platform you prefer. And there you have it, a complete Google Forms survey ready to capture responses. Remember, Google Forms automatically collects and organizes responses for you, making analysis a breeze. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide. Now get out there and start gathering those insightful responses.